In this video, I'll demonstrate adding load tickets to your FarmCommand account. These tickets help you track grain from the field to the farm or from the farm to a buyer. Tickets also aid in calibrating yield data and assist with managing contract fulfillment. To begin, use the main menu to navigate to Harvest and select Add Ticket. Then select either Storing or Delivering. In this example, I'll use Storing. Next, choose whether the grain is coming from the field or another storage unit. If you select Field, then choose the specific field. For the load weight section, you can use volume or weight. Here, we use bushels, so we enter the load total and then need to enter the bushel weight for this crop as well. The next section is optional, where you can record moisture and any grain quality factors. You can add or remove values as needed. Next, choose where to store the grain. I am selecting the home yard in bin H1. In the last section, you can add a vehicle, like a truck or grain cart, to identify how the load was transported. Additionally, you can take a picture to document the grain's appearance or save a scale ticket. After you've saved the ticket, the dashboard will store the details, allowing you to continue adding loads without repeating the entire setup process. I'll continue to add the bushel weight of each load and include the moisture if available. When I click Add Load, you can see on the left that the number of loads and the total amount increases. Notice on this ticket, I have entered an amount that will overfill my current storage unit. In this situation, I need to decide whether to overfill the bin or add the overflow to another storage unit. I've chosen to split the load. I will select the yard and storage unit for the overflow and click Save. Now that we've covered things in mobile, let's take a look at web. Begin on the summary page of the Harvest Manager and scroll to the field where you want to record load tickets. Click the Add Ticket link and you will be directed to the ticket screen. You'll follow a similar process as we saw on mobile. First, enter or change the date and time if needed. Then select either Storing or Delivering. In the first section, ensure the ticket is coming from the correct field. Then in the next section, select the yard and storage unit. Add the weight and moisture and complete the ticket with vehicle details or notes. If you're entering just one ticket for the field, click Save. If you're going to continue adding tickets for the field, then use the Save and Start Batch feature. This keeps the ticket information and allows you to simply add the weight and other details for each subsequent ticket. When I save the load ticket, the total for the field will update. I can continue adding all the load tickets for this field. Now I'll show you how a delivery ticket looks. In this case, the load is coming directly from the field and going to the elevator. You can see I've added a contract in FarmCommand. When I select the contract, the total amount delivered and remaining appears. When I complete the load ticket, the amount will be applied to the contract fulfillment. By clicking Add More, next to the moisture, you can record some of the grain quality factors that might be included on the scale ticket. Again, if you're adding multiple load tickets, use the batch feature. If you haven't added buyers and contracts yet, be sure to check out our demonstration videos to learn how. Thanks for watching.